The Mediterranean is under increasing pressure. Climate change, pollution, and fragmented governance are putting its future at risk. Local efforts alone are not enough. Cities need to work together towards a shared Mediterranean transition. SHARE4MED strengthens and expands the coalition of mayors for Mission Ocean, fostering cooperation across Mediterranean countries under the WestMed initiative. It supports the development of a shared Mediterranean transition agenda, aligning local strategies towards common objectives. It tests solutions through pilot actions across partner territories. A governance dashboard enables data-driven decision-making, transparency, and monitoring of progress. Together, partners contribute to the EU mission, Restore Our Ocean and Waters by 2030, advancing sustainable coastal and maritime governance.